In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that allows you to share and work on files with your team, no matter where you are. Whether you're working from home, the office, or somewhere in between, knowing how to efficiently manage files in Teams can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive right into the process of uploading files to your Teams space. First off, let's start by accessing Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser and navigate to the Teams website. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your account details. Ensure you've got your credentials ready. This is the gateway to your digital workspace. Once you're logged in, the next step involves navigating to your community. The community is essentially where your team interacts, shares files, and posts updates. It's your collaborative space tailored to fit your group's needs. Now, within the community, select the specific community you wish to upload files to. Each community might have different team members and purposes, so make sure you're in the right one to ensure the file reaches the intended colleagues. After choosing your community, it's time to initiate a new post. You'll see a section dedicated to this Start a New Post. This is where you'll attach the file. Initiating a new post might seem like a step designed only for writing text, but it's also where you begin the process of sharing files. Look for the paperclip button, which is universally recognized as the attachment icon. It's your gateway to adding files to your post. Clicking this button will prompt you to decide how you wish to add files. Select Upload from this device. This option allows you to browse the files on your computer, tablet, or phone. Navigate through your directories to find the exact file you're aiming to share with your team. Once you've located your file, select it and it will be attached to your new post. Now, with your file ready to go, all that's left is to click on Post. This action shares the file with your community, making it accessible for collaboration, feedback, or simply for informational purposes. And there you have it. Your file is now uploaded to Microsoft Teams and shared with your chosen community. It's a straightforward process that empowers you to collaborate more effectively with your team. Remember, effective file management and sharing are crucial in maintaining a smooth and productive workflow. Microsoft Teams makes this easy, and now that you know how to upload files, you're well on your way to maximizing your team's collaboration potential. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and guides to help you navigate Microsoft Teams and other useful tools. Until next time, happy collaborating.